Hey folks, today is April the 8th. It's currently 6:21 in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our Promax Gold EA week number 8 trailing stop update. If you guys recall, last week we earned 1.56%. The week before that we earned 1.52%, and the week before that we earned 0.88%. Let's go ahead and see how we did this week. Hopefully we're still going in the right direction. As we can see here, we're up overall 67.18%. As we can see, our equity curve is definitely moving back in the right direction. Let's go ahead and jump into the MyFX book account and see what happened this week. All right, so this week we earned 0.75%, a little bit slower, but obviously anything in the green is definitely a good thing in my opinion. And in terms of dollars and cents, that is $62.21. And that is 1.09% for the month of April. So we're going to definitely have to just be patient and see how this plays out. I know the other settings do, they seem to make more on a weekly basis. So we're going to have to just be patient and see how this plays out for us here. All right, let's go ahead now and check out the news for the week. All right, so we're looking for USD high impact releases. As we can see here, Monday we didn't have anything. Tuesday we had ISM Services PMI. On Wednesday, don't see anything there. On Thursday we had USD unemployment claims. That one's not high impact. It's medium impact, but it definitely can move the market depending on the numbers. And on Friday, nothing there. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the VPS and see what the damage is this week here. All right, so no trades open going into the weekend, which is always a good thing. And let's see, we can see lots of stop losses hit, and basically again we are using the trailing stop settings, so we're going to see a lot more of that. First day of the week was Monday the 4th. So let's go ahead. Actually, give me 1 second here. So yeah, it is 4-4. We did not close out very many trades this week. I definitely thought it was going to be more than this. All right, let's check it out. We had one small win, $3.36. Here we had a group of trades. A $60 win kept us in profit on that one. Another small win, $3.20. Win of $20 there, $20 there, and two small wins, one for $1.52 and another for $8.72. So not a whole lot of trading this week in comparison to last week. As you guys can see here, 4-1, 331. We took lots of trades last week in comparison. So hopefully next week we'll get a bit more trades in the account here, so we can start making a dent in the losses that we took in those previous weeks here. All right, let's go ahead now and see how the vendor did this week. All right, so this is his live account. And it looks like this one did not update. So we're going to have to wait till next week to check in on that one. Hopefully it will update for us. Check out this next one. All right, this account is up 3.24%, and we can see equity curve is definitely moving in the right direction. They're up 4.94%. So it definitely will not take them long to start making some new higher highs here. All right. Let's go ahead, refresh the page. Actually, before we do that, I almost forgot. All right, let's check out TinTin's account. All right, so TinTin earned 15.69% this week. And overall, he is up 15.74% for the week. As you can see, last week, 93.84. And I know he dialed up the risk so that he could kind of make back what he had lost in that dip he had. I'm pretty sure he's made that back at this point. So we'll see if he continues to keep the risk where it's at right now. All right, Khalid's account. He has two accounts here. We'll check out both of them. All right, so 3.81% in this account. And 1.86% in his second account here. And let's check out next one. Here's Kelvin's account. All right, so Kelvin earned 1.35%. And again, everybody's trying to make back their losses from this period here. All right, let's check out Kieran's account. All right, so this one has not been updating. I'll check it next week. If there are no updates next week, we might go ahead and remove this one. All right, let's go ahead, refresh the page here on last week's video and see what updates you guys have for us. All right, 4 comments here. Alex, hi Larry, this week 4.3% profit, and as usual, no drawdown into the weekend. Very nice. Alex has just been doing extremely well on both Ajmat, where he only trades Euro USD, and as well as Promax. All right, Khalid, it will take more than 2 months of trading to recover because of the trailing stop settings. Definitely the way things have been going, I definitely do agree with you. I know the previous settings we were using, they definitely do get higher weekly returns, so it won't take as long to get back to the new higher highs, but with the trailing stops, it's definitely going to take longer. So I'm kind of just trying to monitor it and see if during these, I guess you could say, downturns in the market, if it's giving us still consistent returns here. All right, could TinTin tell us what settings he is using? He is getting about 30 trades a day. His take profit is 7.5 pips. I noticed that sometimes his MyFX books has buy and sell trades at the same time on gold. This is not any of the default Promax settings or even Victor settings. TinTin definitely did in a few videos back. He let us know what settings he was using. All right. Hey, Larry, read Promax Gold EA. I think I got wrong. I think I got it wrong. The latest version is 5.01. Okay. I want to change brokers, but the one you recommend has loads of negative reviews. What's your experience been like with them? I've had a bunch of accounts with LMFX, several live accounts. I haven't had any issues as far as withdrawing from them or anything like that. And I also haven't had any issues with their zero accounts. I know a lot of people are happy with the zero accounts that they have. So personally, I have not had any issues whatsoever with LMFX. You can also go with one of the brokers that the vendor recommends. I don't recall off the top of my head. I think it's like, I don't even want to say that because I'm going to say the wrong broker and then somebody's going to call me out on it. So yeah, if you have it, just go into the manual that comes with it. And I believe they give 1 or 2 different examples that we can use here. And also we can take a look and we can also see which brokers the vendor is using. All right, so HF Markets. So we can see the vendor is using a live account with them. And OPO Forex, that's the one I was thinking of, but I didn't want to say because I wasn't sure. So these are 2 that we can see here that the vendor is using. So those are some options for you, excuse me, that you could potentially use here. And again, Trader 88, definitely go back. I'm going to say 3 or 4 videos because TinTin did mention the settings that he was using and what changes he made. All right, I think that is everything I needed to touch on here, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, just shoot them my way and I'll try to find the answers for you. And if you want to test out Promax for yourself, make sure you guys use the link below to help support the channel. Hope you guys have a great weekend and I will see you on the next update. Take care, folks. Hey folks, because I've had so many people ask me about it, I decided to go ahead and do a quick search for the update from TinTin. As you can see here, March 18th. So like I said, just a few videos back, and it says update for me. I started running in the EA on the M1 time frame with the previous presets you gave to me. So this is Vic's original settings that I gave out to quite a few people. So not the trailing stop ones, the one before the trailing stop ones. All right, it turned out very well as shown in my FX book. However, what I have to keep in mind that this running shall take higher risk, and I want to recover the portfolio from the 33% loss. And as we have seen, he has already definitely recovered from that 33% loss and challenged the EA throughout the world situations. P.S. Don't forget to set the GMT time in the EA settings according to your broker's time, because Victor's setting is to +3, but mine is +0, so it will be more accurate for news filtering feature. All right, and then somebody asked, are you setting the lot size for the EA? And he replied, I think it's auto calculated 0.01 per 1K because I didn't change anything except the time frame. That is 1 minute, very risky. So he clearly states here that he only changed the 1 minute time frame on the previous settings we were trading with. So hopefully that answers the question for you guys that were asking about that. All right, take care, folks. I'll see you on the next one.